This Michigan house sits on over 10 acres of private land with 106 feet of frontage on West Maggie Lake, offering an unmatched combination of wilderness, water access, and comfort. Perfect for nature lovers, this 3 bedroom, 2 bath retreat provides space for family, friends, and outdoor adventures in a serene, no wake lake setting. Step outside to enjoy private lake access, ideal for fishing, kayaking, or quiet mornings on the water. The property includes a second 1.3-acre parcel, providing even more room to explore, entertain, or create your dream outdoor retreat. Multiple community lots along Maggie Lake and Little Maggie Lake give you added privileges to enjoy lakeside living to the fullest. For enthusiasts of outdoor recreation, this property is just minutes from world-class ATV and snowmobile trails, offering endless adventure throughout the seasons. The nearby Brule River also provides additional fishing, kayaking, and nature opportunities, making this a true haven for active lifestyles. A drive-in two-car garage ensures convenience and protection for vehicles or equipment, while the surrounding gardens, wooded areas, and lakefront create a tranquil escape from the daily grind. Whether you're seeking a family getaway, a vacation home, or a permanent residence, this property delivers on all fronts. With privacy, lakefront access, and abundant acreage, this Michigan home offers a lifestyle that blends adventure, comfort, and relaxation. Schedule your visit today and experience everything this unique property has to offer.